Hi, to create an Apple account on the iPhone 13, we will need to open settings, and now on the top of the screen we can see Apple account option. So you can use another Apple device to sign in. You can sign in manually, or if you don't have an Apple account, you will need to create one. So that is our option. Let's click it. And now we need to enter our name and birthday, so let me just do it behind the scenes. Now after that you would need to enter your email address, and also you can enable or disable those announcements. So let's just enter my email address, and after that we'll need to tap this continue button. Now just create a password and verify it after that. After that, you would need to choose your country, enter your phone number, and select to verify using text message or phone call. Let's select the text message. Now let's tap to continue, and now we need to enter the verification code which is sent to your number. So let's just wait a couple of seconds, and yes, here is the code. It automatically pastes here, so now we just need to agree with terms and conditions. And now it is signing in, so we are simply waiting. And now our screen looks like that, so we just need to activate those features by verifying the email address. After you tap this option, you will need to select to send a code at this email, and now just open mail on your phone and enter the verification code. And after you entered it, you would see these activated tabs. You can go in your iCloud, check your information, and do many other things. So to sign out, you will need to simply press this red button, and after that you will need to enter your Apple account password. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.